In today's video, I'm going to be showing you practical way, exact way, and the real method for you to get your 1000 subscribers. This is one of the methods that a lot of creators here have been using to achieve their 1000 subscribers, and you have been sitting with 200 subscribers, 20 subscribers, 100 subscribers, 500 subscribers for so long. A lot of people have testified to this particular method. A lot of people are still using it. You can also use this. And you know the beautiful part of this particular method? It is that this method is monetized on YouTube. Once I'm done with the practical steps, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do at the end of this video. So you need to watch from beginning to the end, and you don't need to skip any part, because I now understand that one of the mistakes a lot of people are using that are not hitting that particular 1000 subscribers in 24 hours or in less than 24 hours is because they don't watch till the end. They just see the few ones, move with it. So you have to watch. I repeat, watch from beginning to the end, and also listen to my last instructions, because those instructions are very important. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sonia. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if this is the first time tuning in, I really appreciate you here. With that being said, let me dive right into my screen record and let's start. Anyways, guys, my screen record is all started, and the first thing you need to do is to ensure that the account you are literally looking for, that 1000 subscribers, is the particular account that you're going to be logging in. So ensure that that is the account. So let's assume I want to use this my Vibe with Sonia channel. You can automatically see that my Vibe with Sonia channel is already logged in. Now the step 2 you're going to do is to go ahead and look for a viral shot. When I mean viral shot, not be small viral, enough viral shot. Okay, so let's assume that this particular shot, you can see this one 41 million views. You can see this particular shot as well, 90 million views. So I'll go ahead and click on this shot with 90 million view. You can see that this shot alone has 1.6 million 1.6 million views. Okay, so the next thing you are literally going to do is to go ahead and tap on this particular plus button. If you tap on this particular plus button, you're going to be seeing use this sound, you're going to be seeing use this template, you're going to be seeing collabs, you're going to be seeing green screen, you're going to be seeing cut this video. Have it at the back of your mind that all of these are monetized on YouTube, because this is YouTube bringing out this feature for you to be able to use. Now the next thing you're going to do is to go ahead and click on collab. Now if you click on collab, you will let this load, and you will ensure that all these videos are loaded. Okay, so go ahead, click on collabs. If it's showing you just a short part of the video, you can see just change the seconds here and you will get the exact second and the one of the most catchy parts of the clip that you are literally going to use. Now the next thing you are going to do is to go ahead and click on next. If you click on next, this will automatically process. Okay, so we are waiting for this video to process. This particular method is one of the methods that can give you these subscribers as quick as possible. Like I said, I have a lot to tell you at the end of the video, so you have to still stay hooked till the end of this video so that you can listen to the instruction and know the exact thing that you are going to do. So we are still waiting for it. After it's done processing, the next thing you are going to do is to allow this load, and your camera will literally appear like this. As you guys can see, you can see me here, right? So go ahead and click on this particular fourth feature. If you click on it, you are just literally going to put the video ahead of you so that this can literally be the top part of the video you are going to record. And one of the good part is, because YouTube is recommending this video and this video has gone viral, your video has every single tendency to be able to meet up and give you that 1000 subscribers. Now what are you going to do? You're going to go ahead and mute your mic. Very important, mute your mic, because you don't need to say anything in this video. You just need to allow the sound and everything to flow. Okay, so now go ahead and click on record so that you can start recording. The only thing I want you to do right now is to do your facial expression react. Something like now after you are done with the reaction, you are just going to go ahead, to let this load because this is literally processing. Okay, so you're going to wait for it to process, and this is exactly what you are going to be getting. Now, like I said, because this video is going viral, you have every chance to get your 1,000 subscribers. Now, once it is like this, the next thing you're going to do is to go ahead and click on next. It is advisable that before you start that video, take the exact caption of the video. I repeat, take the exact caption of the video. So if the video caption is vibe with Sonia, for example, the same thing you are going to write vibe with Sonia, okay? And then you are going to go ahead and add hashtags that YouTube literally recommended, just the way they recommended these particular hashtags that you are seeing here, okay? Now, if you are done with the hashtags and everything, make sure that the description and you're taking that same title and pasting at your description. If you have any other thing you want to add, like add to your playlist and the rest of that, you can go ahead and also do that. Then the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and upload, okay? Is to go ahead and upload these shorts, okay? Now, this short, like I said, has everything they see to go far. Let me end it so that I will tell you guys exactly what you're going to do after that. Now, once you are done with this particular short uploaded, you have to give yourself another 2 hours for you to be able to upload another one. So you give yourself another 2 hours for you to be able to upload another one again. So the total of how many videos you're going to be uploading, which is how many shorts you're going to be doing that particular day, should be at least 5 or 4. Okay, at most 5 or 4. Now, once you're done with these 5, with this exact method that I've been able to show you, there is no way that any of those videos are not going to go viral. Those videos, 1 or 2 or 3 of that video must go viral, that will give you your 1,000 subscribers. Have it at the back of your mind that this is monetizable. Also have it at the back of your mind that if you want to really achieve massive results using the collab method that YouTube has literally provided, ensure that what you're looking for should be on your niche, okay? Let it be your niche. So if you're a lifestyle content creator, let it be on lifestyle. If you are a food content creator, let it be on food content creator. Now, if you don't want it to be on your niche, maybe you're not getting that particular viral video that is literally on your niche, that is giving you that massive view, it is other niche that is doing that. What I advise you to do is, once you do with any type of video, just take for example this particular video that I use now that is not in my niche. If immediately I get my 1,000 subscribers, private the video. Private the video immediately you get your 1,000 subscribers if it is not under your niche. But if it is under your niche, you have to leave the video so that the video will be doing its job, okay? But if you want to concentrate as well on long form videos, you don't want to be doing short form videos, you need to private it, because one thing with short is short gives you subscribers back to back, but YouTube do not recommend long form videos to short. So, but if you want to continue uploading shorts back to back, then you can leave it. A lot of people are even earning from this YouTube platform just doing collaboration, just collabing with different content creators. And for you to be able to collab, you also need to ensure that those videos are not videos that are violating. There are some videos that are violating on YouTube that can be on YouTube platform without you even knowing. So you need to make sure you are selecting those clear, sweet videos that are going viral. So if you want to be making money relating to this collab, and fine, do you get? But like I said, if it is not in your niche, ensure you private it immediately you get your 1,000 subscribers, so that it don't stock up subscribers for you. Because as those videos are going viral, YouTube will literally be recommending your own video as well, and a lot of subscribers are going to be coming from your short end. So this is one of the methods a lot of people are using to get 1,000 subscribers. And yes, for the fact that you use 1,000 subscribers, you got 1,000 subscribers through shorts, is not limiting you from achieving anything on YouTube. You will still monetize on YouTube. You will still get your viral long form video. You will still achieve anything you want to achieve on YouTube. The main aim and the goal first is to get your first 1,000 subscribers, so that you can now start looking for ways to get your 4,000 watch hour, and of which I'm going to be doing all of that video. You guys literally know what I do on this platform is to help creators meet up with their 1,000, 4,000 subscribers, so that we can literally monetize and start making money on YouTube. There's a lot of money here to be made on YouTube. So do not be discouraged by any method you're using to get your 1,000 subscribers, especially if it is legit like this. YouTube lets this feature available. If YouTube see that it is not legit, they are not interested, YouTube would have removed this feature. So I hope this video is able to help anyone out there. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. And I want to say a very big thank you to every single one of you liking, commenting, sharing, dropping super thanks. Also joining my membership. I do not take you guys for granted. You guys are absolutely the best. And guys, with that being said, I'm going to be saying bye. I'll see you guys in my next one. With no further ado, adu like I always say in my videos. Bye for now, guys. I love you guys. Mwah.